Ooh, yeah. Let it move your spirit. Feel the fire. When the road feels heavy and the sky hangs low, when the wind keeps pushing but your heart says go, take a breath, hold tight, let your fire glow. Every step you take is a seed you sow. Voices in the dark try to slow your pace, but your name is written in a brighter place. Lift your chin, let the rhythm lead the way. You were born to rise, not fade away. Hands in the air for the pulse inside. Every scar you wear is your badge of pride. Turn the doubt into a drum that plays. Let the night turn into a brand new day. Reach for the sky, let your spirit fly higher than the feet, don't ask why. Feel the glow when your heart beats strong. You've been on this road for way too long. Touch the stars, let your light be shown. Every step you take gets you closer home. When the world feels cold, just let it know you were made for more than you've been told. When the rain keeps falling on your parade and the dreams you chase feel far away, remember who you are, remember your flame. Every tear you drop, write strength in your name. From the dust to the crown, watch you rise. See the future shine in your eyes. Step by step with the groove so bold. Turn your story to in pure gold. Feet on the ground, but your soul takes flight. Move with the beat through the longest night. Let the bass remind you to stay brave. You're the wave in the ocean, you ride the sky. Let your spirit fly higher than the feet, don't ask why. Feel the glow when your heart beats strong. You've been on this road for way too long. Touch the stars, let your light be shown. Every step you take gets you closer home. When the world feels cold, just let it know you were made for more than you've been told. Ooh, rise up, don't slow down. Let the rhythm turn your tears around. Ooh, shine bright, hold your crown. You're a light in a world that's loud. Lift it up now. Move your soul now. Feel the fire. Keep moving, keep going, never let go. The beat is yours.